Unit 2, Natural Resources of India. Chapter 8, Soil. Get set. Which of the following can be found in the soil? The uppermost layer of the Earth's surface is called soil. It is one of the most important natural resources that nature has provided to humankind. It actually sustains life on the planet as it is an essential ingredient for growing plants. Its importance lies in its fertility. The dead plants and other organic matter mix with the soil and form the humus. This humus makes the soil fertile, which enables the growth of crops as well as natural vegetation. That is why the soil matters the most when it is near human population. In fact, the kind of soil found in an area may define the population structure of the place. The soil is formed when rocks are broken down by the action of wind, water, and climate. This process is called weathering. The characteristic features of a soil depend upon the rocks from which it has been formed and the kinds of plants that grow in it. Soil forms different layers of particles of different sizes. Each layer is different from the other in texture, color, and chemical composition. Even the thickness of each layer is not the same. Chirpy says, a vertical section that shows the different layers of soil is called a soil profile. Each layer is called a horizon. Types of soil. The soil has a large range of variety. There are a variety of reasons for these variations in soil. Primarily, soils are different from region to region due to the climatic conditions like temperature, rainfall, etc. The variety of flora and fauna of a region also has an influence on the soil profile. The classification and properties of the Indian soil are discussed below. Alluvial soil. This is the most fertile soil deposited by rivers on and near their banks. This type of soil majorly found in the northern plains of the country. The most fertile alluvial soil is found in the Ganga Valley, where it is deposited by river Ganges. This soil covers almost 35 to 40% of the region of India. This soil is rich in minerals, especially potash. This is of a dark shades of grey and is extremely suitable for agriculture. Some dark black alluvial soil can also be found in coastal areas and deltas of river. Crops like rice, wheat, sugarcane, cotton, oil seeds, and jute grow best in it. Black soil. Black soil is formed by the weathering of the volcanic material. It is characterized by its deep black color. Its composition has a large amount of clay. This helps the black soil retain water, making it ideal for crops that require water year-round. This also gives it a unique self-plowing ability. This soil is rich in lime, iron, and magnesia. It is mainly found in the Deccan Plateau. It is also known as black cotton soil since cotton grows exclusively in black soil and is one of the main cash crops in India. Red soil and yellow soil. Red soil is formed by the breaking of crystalline rocks. This distinct soil is named after its hues. Red soil gets its color from the iron found in its composition in a crystalline form. The soil takes on a yellow color when it is hydrated. This soil is generally found in the Western Ghats, Odisha, and Chhattisgarh. The clay form of red soil is nutrient-rich and viable for forestation. However, coarse red or yellow soil has been completely leached of all its nutrients and is not fertile. Red soil actually has a very low level of humus and requires fertilizers when used for farming. Groundnut, jowar, bajra, coffee, and tea are grown in this soil. Think a while. Is there any method to grow soil plants without soil? Laterite soil. Laterite soil is a mixture of clay and red soil. It is reddish-brown in color. Such soil is found in regions of high temperature and very high rainfall. The rain washes all the nutrients from the soil, leaving it infertile. The leaching process will leave behind iron-rich soil, absent of silicon. The humus composition is also affected by bacteria and fungi that thrive in high temperatures. Such soil is found in the hot and humid regions of Western Ghats, Eastern Ghats, Malwa Plateau, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, etc. While this soil is not entirely suitable for agriculture, it has other uses. It is used to make bricks, which are used in constructions. Desert soil. Desert or the sandy soil appears in extremely dry and arid regions of Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana and Gujarat. These soils are completely void of any organic matter. It also has a very high saline content, making it largely infertile. Only desert vegetation, cacti, bushes, etc. can grow in this type of soil. But with proper irrigation facilities, some crops like wheat, millets, dates, barley and maize can be grown in this soil. Mountain soil. As the name shows, mountain soil is found in mountains. It mostly contains pebbles and stones which have not fully broken down. It is not very fertile. In the mountains, the slopes are cut into terraces for farming. This type of farming is called terrace farming. The chief crops grown in mountain soil are millets, barley, maize, cotton, rice, fruits and potato. We can find mountain soil in the states of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, West Bengal and Arunachal Pradesh. Soil erosion. The removal of topmost fertile layer of the earth's surface is called soil erosion. It occurs due to rain, strong winds, cutting down of trees, overgrazing of animals and by using chemical fertilizers in large quantities. Soil erosion reduces the fertility of soil and makes it infertile for cultivation. Soil conservation. The reduction or prevention of soil erosion is called soil conservation. Though soil is a renewable natural resource, but it takes a long time to get formed. Therefore, its conservation is very necessary. We must take following measures to conserve soil. Cutting down of trees should be controlled. More and more trees should be planted as the roots of the trees hold the soil together. Small bunds should be built around the fields. Manure should be regularly used in the fields. Overgrazing by animals should be controlled. Crops should be grown in rotation. Chirpy says, soil formation is a very slow process. In fact, a thin layer of soil takes thousands of years to form. Quick review. The uppermost layer of the earth's surface is called the soil. The kind of soil found in an area may define the population structure of the place. Soil forms different layers of particles of different sizes. Alluvial soil is the most fertile soil deposited by rivers on and near their banks. The most fertile alluvial soil is found in the Ganga Valley. Black soil is formed by the weathering of the volcanic material. Red soil is formed by the breaking of crystalline rocks. Desert soil are completely void of any organic matter.